Just a few years back, AMV used to be everywhere. Clean edits, cool songs, and insane transitions. But we are in 2025, where people are absolute gooners with short attention spans. So it's worth asking if AMV editing is still worth it in 2025. So as you know, I have been making AMV edits for a while, but I didn't upload all of them on YouTube. Whatever I have uploaded didn't work very well. I thought it was only me who has no talent to perform in this category. But then, I saw many new creators doing the same mistake as me, making AMV edits on YouTube. Honestly, the scene has changed a lot. Viewers aren't the same anymore, copyright issues are the worst, and the algorithm doesn't push AMV videos anymore. You can take my channel as an example. I only average 50 to 60 viewers per month and don't make any money at all. But here's the thing, editing AMVs actually teaches you timing, rhythm and emotions. Basically everything you need to make professional edits. If you treat AMVs as a way to practice, not just for views, it's totally worth it because those same skills can turn into gaming edits, cinematic stories and even client work. You can edit AMVs to understand your software and truly open the doors to opportunities just by doing it every single day. So yeah, maybe AMVs don't blow up anymore, but the editors who grew from them definitely do. That's why I'm shifting this channel. I'll start sharing tutorials and breakdowns to help you level up your edits too.